That's Wednesday nights on Showtime.
Well, what did Jim just look at this? Now the Ravens. It's about field position. Now your defense has to help out the offense.
So they call.
Former Vice President Dick Cheney is criticizing the Justice Department's decision to the interrogations of terror. All right, something to think about. Well, is he or isn't he a great date? We'll know in a month or two if he is in the Guinness Book of Records. That's contender for the title of world's tallest living. How tall is he? All right, a veterinarian that is measured him at more than inches at the shoulder, taller than the previous record holder. Woo, he's a big boy.
Cutting the stock to on valuation. P companies have seen a pretty sharp increase this year. This stock, for example, has gained about 40%. But again, the larger name, ExxonMobil, those saw sharp decline in their Q.
Les banques françaises, elles ont été décidées tout à l'heure au plus haut niveau par le chef de l'État qui avait convoqué les grands. Désormais, attendre chez l'intégration.
主题学习，总书记的信息，涛询问大家，还有什么困难，需要党和政府做些什么。
War es eine Geburtstagsparty für Top-Banker oder eine offizielle Gesellschaft bei der Kanzlerin? In Berlin gibt es Streit um ein, das Kanzlerin Merkel.
Президент Дмитрий Медведев в Монголии в отношении двух стран этап. Подписан о партнерстве и крупное соглашение о совместном.
上に戻る、しっかりトレーニングした成果をですね